Weird debris found in South Isidis Basin on Mars. I'm Jean, thanks for joining me. The photograph we'll be analyzing, NASA calls it Olivine-Rich Materials in South Isidis Basin. I'll include the link to this page below. It was acquired on the 17th of December 2007 at a high resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel, and the JP2 black and white map projected file is huge, 1.3 gig, and I'll be showing you images that are cropped from that JP2. I just want to show you the photograph that NASA chose for this page. It shows this hole with the one side either caved in or sloped by design. And there I'm speculating again, as always, guys. And then it looks as if the bottom of the hole was filled with water or liquid at one stage. It even looks pretty recent, but that's also highly speculative. So this is the low-res JPEG. I cropped this area for you. That's the hole over there, and I think let's start with the first two anomalies right there in the center of the screen. The first one at the top looks like this convex metallic type of object. It's bent into this rounded shape, and it's got straight sides or edges. So that to me just doesn't look like a normal boulder or a rock would. And then also this anomaly to the bottom looks like a megalithic block with straight sides and a rounded corner. And there's definitely some geometry to that object. And as always, you can use the scale indicator at the bottom right to approximate the size of these objects. And this one too, it looks as if there's a perfect hole in the top piece, and then some lighter material in that line. I'm not sure what this could be, but check out that hole. Nice round hole right there. And then this totally out of place object also looks like a metallic type of object, also convex in shape, and it's got these rounded sides and corners. So could that have been part of some type of technology, maybe even a cover to a hole, possibly an entranceway, who knows? And then this is that slope going into that hole. And I'm really looking at that object right there. Also, I'm only showing you those that I found really interesting. There's lots of other anomalies you can have a look at if you have the time to download the JP2. Check out this object over here. Looks very mechanical in nature, almost as if that could be a type of a wing, and this may be part of a fuselage. I don't know, guys and girls, I don't know what this is, but yeah, check that out. And it looks as if it's also rounded to the right, almost like a cylinder, like an opening over here. And this is a zoomed out view, not to scale, of this hole and that slope. As I say, this looks as if it was filled with liquid or water, and then again we don't know how long ago, but it looks rather new. Look at that. And then we've got this strange object, and it also looks like it could be half a disc shape, partially buried with a dome on top, and then also straight sides, 90-degree angles. So what could that be? A crashed craft, perhaps? I can only speculate. So yeah, also totally out of place. Looks like some type of metallic debris, maybe some type of mechanism or tech. Two parallel pieces. And then going to be checking out that area there. And this looks like a hexagon or polygon shape. Two layers. Looks almost as if that could have been some type of hatch, perhaps, with an opening over here, or just some type of debris that we've been seeing all over the place, and it's partially buried. Megalithic, mechanical, I'm not sure. And then this block, square block, smooth surface, and then straight sides, slightly rounded corners, and then we've got some right angles in that object as well. So could that be another megalithic block, possibly flung there from the devastation that hit the planet? And then an anomaly down here, bottom right. It's got multiple layers, and this is also, it looks like it's convex in shape. Look at the rounded corner there, 90-degree angle, straight piece, another rounded piece sticking out there, and then another straight side. So I don't know what that could have been. Sorry guys, I don't seem to have a close-up zoom of that one. And then this twisted, what looks like twisted metal debris, that piece over there, also buried. This piece is sticking out. It's very metallic in nature, and this one corner seems to be bent down. And then this rock or boulder just looked quite artificial, with these strange formations on it, and that smaller piece sticking out there. Looks like it could have been part of something artistic, like a sculpture perhaps. Let me know what you guys and gals think of that. Really look forward to reading your comments, and then this strange anomaly here. Also partially buried. Also very metallic looking plate. These openings on the top, these slits cut into it. So let's check on Google Earth Mars, where this area is very close to the equator, 3.5 degrees. So that's it right there. Bradbury. I should check out to see if there's anything interesting there. I like the name. So the photograph we analyzed is this one over here. Olivine-Rich Materials in South Isidis Basin. Intriguing area. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.